relatives here.
Working on an engine, ma'am. I'm making our going in. Only 2 lines on the south side. Let's go! Come on, let's go!
The boy, he's inside.
Oh, Shadow, how awful.
I'm going in.
What? Shadow, no!
Tucker! Where are you? Tucker!
Mommy!
Don't be afraid. I'm here to help you. See? Hey, look, Tucker. Tucker, I'm your friend. You're safe with me. That's it. Hurry.
You got the point out! Clear the house! Clear the house!
You saved my life. Thanks.
You're welcome, Tucker. A dog is a boy's best friend.